Hi there, this is Mr. Q from Rainbow Elementary. This is a tutorial video on how to meet with your child's teacher digitally using Google Meet. So let's get started here. There's really just two steps to follow for Meet the Teacher using Google Meet. The first thing you want to do is check your email for an invite to Google Meet. And then the second thing you want to do is click the button that says Join Google Meet, which is in the email. And so what I want to do now is demonstrate for you what that looks like. All right, so now I want to demonstrate for you what you're going to do when you're meeting with your child's teacher using Google Meet. If you remember, there's two steps. Number one, you're going to check your email for an invite to Google Meet. And then number two, you're going to click the button that says Join Google Meet, which is in the email. So once you log into your email account and check your inbox, you're going to look for an invitation from your child's teacher. It would be titled Happening Now. And when you click that, you'll see there's the second step. You're going to join the meeting. And when you click that, it's going to open a tab. And you'll probably have the camera and the microphone on before you join. That's me. Hi, everyone. And so if you don't want to have the camera on and the microphone on before you join, what you'll want to do is click this button, which shows that the microphone is muted. And if you don't want to have the camera on, you can click this button, which turns the camera off. Now, once you join, it'll take you right in. It's possible that a pop-up would be displayed where your teacher needs to give you permission to join the class, but if not, it'll take you right into the Google Meet platform. So once you join the meeting, and let's say you forgot to turn off the microphone or turn off the video before you joined, you can always do that once you've joined the meeting by moving the mouse. There's a bar that pops up on the bottom and you can click them right here. You see it says turn on microphone or turn off microphone, and you can do the same for the camera. Now, one more thing that I want to show you. Let's say the video quality isn't great. You have one option over here on the right hand side where it says more options, these three little tabs. If you click that and you go to settings, you'll see there's an audio and a video option. You click on video. Usually it's set at the standard definition. If you click high definition for sending resolution and for receiving resolution, you also click high definition. That may help with the video quality. So I hope this helps everyone.